In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use System.io for high-ticket affiliate marketing. Hey, hello, my name is Diana Castillo. Welcome to my channel. If this is the very first time you're in my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to your channel. Do not forget to hit the notification bell because I'm updating my channel pretty consistently and I don't want you guys to miss a video. As I mentioned before, I'm going to be showing you how you can use this really powerful tool, and it's a free tool, which is System.io, to get high ticket commissions for affiliate marketing. Just in case that you don't know what affiliate marketing is, it's a business model in which literally our job is to recommend other people products and services in exchange for a commission. We are not going to be doing the sale. We're literally just going to send traffic, which is actually eyeballs. And I'm going to show you everything step by step here. Another reason why I like affiliate marketing, it's because it helped me to replace not one, but two full-time jobs. So this is something that if you want to earn some extra cash, if you put the time, first of all, to learn and you implement, it can definitely help you. Okay, I'm sharing you this, and this is actually based on my experience. So now let me share with you my screen because there are some key points, and this is going to be a tutorial in which, as I told you before, I'm going to be actually sharing you everything step by step. Okay, first of all, what most people do when we mention, affiliate marketing, because there is a right way to do it and not so right. So because I'm pretty sure that right now you're a busy person and maybe you hear it somewhere else like, okay, like this is the product that you decide to recommend, okay? This is the product that you decide to recommend. And what most people are actually doing is that they are like this. They are like, okay, here, this is an example. Here, it's going to be you. And here is a person who have a problem and it's looking for a solution. And most people are like, hey, are you looking for this? Check this out. Use my link. And if the person use your link, you're going to get a commission. This is actually cool, but we need to take into consideration that people are nowadays, they're not with their wallet. Like, I'm going to be buying everything that shows up. Okay. And the other thing is that there is no way you can actually scale this strategy. So this is actually a big no-no, but this is what most people are actually doing. So what we're going to be doing here, it's something different. We're going to be building a system, and don't worry, you don't need to do something super complicated. Okay. What we're going to be doing, first of all, is that we're going to be capturing people's name and email address. Then we're going to be sending them to a bridge page. Okay. Here, we're going to be introducing the product. Most people take this as optional, but I'm actually like it. And then we are going to be sending them to the product page. Okay. Since this is going to be a high ticket product, let me put a pause because I'm actually like to explain these concepts. Okay. This is affiliate marketing. There are different type of offers. We have low ticket, we have high ticket, and we have recurring. Okay. Low ticket is usually a product that it's going to give you a commission of, $5, $10. Okay. Something super, super cheap. Okay. So this is actually low ticket. For example, if you go to Amazon and you join their affiliate program, you're going to notice that they say like, the commission for this product, it's going to be 2%. So that means that if a person invests $100, you are going to be earning $2. Okay. And if you want to have life-changing income, well, you need to work a lot. High ticket, in my opinion, is if you're getting a $500 commission or way more. Okay. And there is a lot of programs that are willing to pay you this. Okay. It's the same amount of effort, but the commissions here is way higher. Okay. So recurring is when you refer someone, to a program in which they are actually going to be paying, like right now you're paying your internet service, every single month. It's the same fee, or sometimes it's going to change because life happen, and that's how it actually is. So you're referring the person one time, and you're going to be earning commission month after month after month after month. This can be high ticket, and this can be also low ticket. I'm going to be talking about this in this video. Okay, this is high ticket affiliate marketing. But as you notice, and as I mentioned before, people are not with their wallet like, hey, I'm gonna purchase everything right away. So most of the time, what they do have, it's a challenge, or they do have some kind of presentation. It can be a live presentation, it can be a pre-recorded presentation such as a webinar, in which they're explaining concepts, in which they are actually introducing the people, you know, why it's actually really valuable to go with them. This can be for a service, this can be for a physical item, these can also be, you know, um, for a digital product. Like, for example, let's say that someone is looking to be part of Airbnb, but they want to find a way in which they can have multiple houses, multiple apartments, and they want to be profitable. So if there is someone who says like, hey, I'm an expert, I have, this is just an example, over 100 properties, and this is how I manage them all over the country, okay, without getting nuts, without, having a huge team or whatever. And they say like, hey, if you pay me $1,000, if you pay me 1,500, 2,000, I'm going to teach you how you can actually do it. And it's a business in which you're going to be earning, again, this is just an example, like $10,000, $20,000, even more per month. Hey, a minimum investment, and you're going to be saving a lot of time. You're going to take it. I usually use this example. Like, let's say that you're a realtor. As a realtor, maybe you have apartments, you have condos, you have houses, and there is someone who says like, hey, I'm looking for a penthouse. Not everybody's going to be looking for a penthouse, but it's not the same commission if someone purchases a penthouse, like if they purchase an apartment. And if you tell that person like, hey, with the amount of money that you would like to invest, you can buy, I don't know, 10 apartments, 20 apartments. There is no way that person is going to be buying those apartments unless there is, you know, is an investor. But chances are that they are looking the penthouse just for them. Okay, so if you don't have a penthouse, people are not going to purchase it. And the cool thing with this strategy is that you're going to be capturing people's name and email address, and you're going to have more opportunities to present them this offer. And you can also share other offers and valuable information as well. Okay, so take that into consideration. We are not doing the selling. The only thing that we're doing is actually doing the recommendation. Okay, so now we're gonna go backwards first. How or where we are actually find the products? There are different places like the marketplace, for example, ClickBank. You can join here as an affiliate. Sometimes they do have the survey, sometimes they don't. Okay, so fill out the information and you're gonna have access to ClickBank. Another really popular marketplace, it's called the Store 24. You can also join for free, and you're going to have the opportunity to have a list of different products. For example, this one, it's paying you almost $1,500. This one, 978, over $500 here. So you'll see that you have, a lot of options and in different languages. By the way, guys, if you're enjoying this content so far, please give me a thumbs up. Again, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you want to know what's my number one recommendation to make money online, check the very first link in the description. Now, something really important is that not all the products are listed on marketplaces. There are other marketplaces like JVZoo, Warrior Plus, Commission Junction, and others. But there are also private products, okay? Products that are not listed here, but they also do have high ticket commissions. Okay, so take that also into consideration, but it's actually a good way to start. Now, let's say that I'm going to be recommending this product. Now, what do I need to do? I need to create these 2 pages, but don't worry, you don't need to be something technical. Okay, you're going to be using the link below, and you're going to be opening a 100% free account. Okay, this is a 100% free account. You don't need to invest any money. Get your free account just by typing your email. It's free forever. Okay, you are not going to be requiring any credit card information. So use the link below and open your free account. So now what you're going to be doing is that since you have your free account, okay, you're going to go here where it says sites, then you're going to click here where it says sales funnels, and then you're going to click here where it says create. Now, you are going to type a name. You're going to choose the domain. Okay. In my case, if you ask me like, Diana, do have a domain, it's mandatory. For me, it's a yes. And it's actually a no-brainer. Nowadays, you can get a domain for less than $20 per year, and it looks way more professional than using a subdomain. Okay. At the end of the day, it's my opinion. This is actually based on my experience. Okay, now the name that you're gonna type here, it's for you, just for internal use. People are not gonna watch it. And you're gonna click here where it says build an audience. That's what we're gonna be doing. We're not gonna be doing a sale. We're not gonna be doing an evergreen webinar. We're not gonna be building a custom funnel. Now, leave this as it is and click save. Okay, so you're gonna have everything like look like this. As you can see, you're gonna have the two pages. The opt-in page is the page that people are gonna use to, well, that actually you're gonna use to capture their name and email address. Okay, one cool thing that I like about System.io is that this is actually super easy, super simple to customize it. Literally, you're gonna choose the one that you like. If you want to see a preview of how it actually looks like, you can click here where it says preview, and you are gonna have an idea of how it actually looks like. Okay, you can delete the elements that you don't like. You can add other elements that you do like. This is actually a drag and drop builder, and I'm gonna show you that in a moment. Let's say that I'm gonna go. Okay, let's say that I'm gonna go with which one? Let me click here next. I like something simple. Okay, but well, this is gonna be just an example. Let's say that I'm gonna go with this one. So I'm gonna click here where it says select. Okay, this is the name. This is again just for internal use. You're gonna click here where it says edit page. And again, you can actually delete the elements that you don't like. Let's say that you're gonna click here. Okay, so you're gonna add the elements, all the information and all the stuff. Then you're gonna click here where it says save. I'm not gonna save it. Okay, since this is actually just a quick tutorial, and now the thank you page, it's going to be this other page, which is this bridge page. This is actually where you're going to put your link. Okay, and you are actually going to do the same. You're going to choose the one that you like, and you're going to put your link there. It's super easy. It's super, super simple to do it. Okay, so let's go with this one. Okay, just to teach you, say how do you're going to put your link. Well, here we have the bottom, and here you're going to put the URL. Okay, literally here. Again, you can update and do all the changes that you want. And here it's actually open URL, this one, and that's it. You're going to click save. In my case, I'm not going to be doing any kind of changes. So here you have your system. Okay, with System.io, the cool thing is that you're going to have all the marketing tools and all the everything that you need to do your ecosystem. Now, we need eyeballs, okay? We need eyeballs. And this is what we actually call traffic. So where we can get them? Well, for example, right now you're watching this tutorial on YouTube. You can actually be recording YouTube videos. This is a long form content right nowadays. You can be doing exactly the same I'm doing, recording actually just your screen. You can actually record your face. You can actually be just talking. Okay, there are different formats. You can go also with YouTube Shorts. You can go with Instagram. You can go with TikTok. Here, this can also be faceless videos. Even you don't need to talk if you don't want to. This can be a 5 to 7 second videos. You can also be vlogging. There are actually several ways in which you can actually do this. And you're going to be creating content based on the product that you're going to be recommending. So, for example, if I'm going to be talking about Airbnb, as I mentioned before, the product that that I'm going to be promoting, it needs to be related to Airbnb. Okay. So all my content, it's going to be based on that. And here I can give them, a free guide about Airbnb, not to stay, but to be a host. Okay. So this is actually how you actually do it. If you want to learn more about these on detail, check the link in the description so you have all the information on detail of how you can actually create your system, how you can actually use AI nowadays to get the most of it. So this is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this content. If you do, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and I see you guys on the next video.